Welcome to Best Picks Lab. The best Spri Xertube is probably one of the most versatile fitness tools you can own. Whether you're a seasoned athlete or just starting your fitness journey, this simple yet effective piece of equipment can revolutionize your workouts. From building strength and improving flexibility to enhancing your overall fitness, the Spri Xertube offers a wide range of exercises that can be done anywhere, anytime. Number 5. Spri Hanging Exercise Mat for Group Fitness. This is the Spri Hanging Exercise Mat, perfect for low-impact exercises and stretching. It's designed for group fitness classes in gyms and clubs. When you're done, it easily stores on the Spri wall-mounted rack. These mats are made with dense, high-quality closed-cell foam, built to a professional grade. They're designed for commercial gyms and clubs, built to withstand frequent use. The exercise mat maintains its shape, whether you hang, stack, or roll it up. It will always lay flat on the floor after use. The mat features rust-proof plastic grommets that won't bend or deform. The holes are reinforced to protect the mat and prevent tearing. This mat is available in a variety of lengths and thicknesses. It can accommodate partial or full body activities, and is suitable for all body types. What we like? This mat is built to withstand the demands of a busy gym. It maintains its shape, ensuring it stays flat and ready for your next workout. If you're looking for a durable and reliable mat for group fitness classes, this is the perfect choice. What people say. They're the right thickness so that our hard floors don't hurt when on the ground, absorb shock from jumping, but not so thick that you're off balance or sinking in too much. They don't stretch or tear easily. The foam is dense enough that they don't need to be too thick to offer great cushioning. They are easily cleaned and they come in a 72-inch length. The 3/8-inch, about as thick as an iPhone, is perfect because it provides great isolation from the floor for my aging, 69 years old, body. It doesn't stretch, but it isn't squishy so that eagle or tree poses feel nearly as stable as if doing them on a hard floor. Number 4. Spri Xertube Braided Resistance Bands, Home Gym Fitness. Introducing the Spri Braided Xertube Resistance Bands. This premium exercise band is designed for both men and women. It's the perfect workout equipment for your home gym. This exercise band is designed for speedy mobility. You can easily roll it up and stash it in your gym bag or suitcase. It's perfect for travel, the gym, or home use. Made with heavy-duty, high-quality material, it has greater resistance to abrasion and tears. This ensures it can withstand the rigorous demands of professional use. The handle plug, protective sleeve, and grommet reinforcement features make it durable and reliable. You can count on it for your workout needs. It helps you isolate target muscles more effectively. It's perfect for group training, strength conditioning classes, Pilates, and physical therapy. You can take it anywhere. 3 tubes are braided together for a rope-like construction, bringing you the ultimate dynamic full-body workout tool. Use it indoors or outdoors, so you can take your workout on the go. What we like? This braided resistance band is designed for ultimate dynamic full-body workouts. Its durable rubber construction ensures it can handle rigorous use. If you like to take your workout on the go, this is the perfect tool for you. What people say. The braided design makes them super durable and sturdy compared to regular resistance bands. The handles are comfortable and easy to grip, and the resistance level feels consistent throughout each exercise. These bands are also lightweight and portable, so I can use them at home or take them to the gym. Number 3. Spri Resistance Band Kit for Full Body Toning. This Spri Resistance Tube Kit is designed for a full body workout. It features an interchangeable system with different resistance levels to customize your exercise. Each band has carabiner clips for easy attachment to handles, door anchor, or ankle strap. You can quickly change the resistance level, from super light to ultra heavy, to match your needs. This versatile kit allows you to perform exercises similar to those done with exercise machines. You can use it at home or in gym classes. It comes with a nylon drawstring bag to store all the components. This makes it easy to keep everything organized, whether you're at home or traveling. The kit includes 5 resistance bands, a door anchor, 2 foam handles, an ankle strap, an exercise chart, and a carrying bag. Tone your arms and build your abs with these strong resistance bands. What we like? This kit features interchangeable resistance tubes, allowing you to customize your workout. It includes a convenient carrying bag for easy storage and portability. If you are looking for a versatile and portable home gym solution, you should consider this. What people say. These are heavier duty and stronger resistance bands that provide a tough workout. I especially like how multiple bands can be combined together to make for an even tougher pull. Solid, well-made, strong and durable. It's easy to change the handles from one band to another. Lightweight and portable, I can envision bringing them with me on vacation. It is easy to set up and very portable. I've used this for a couple of weeks, will update this if any bands break but quality seems solid. Number 2. Spri Xertube resistance bands with handles. These exercise bands are designed for light and speedy mobility. You can easily roll them up and stash them in your gym bag or suitcase, making them perfect for travel or home use. Made with heavy-duty, high-quality rubber, this band offers greater resistance to abrasion and tears. It's built to withstand the rigorous demands of professional use. The handle plug, protective sleeve, and grommet reinforcement make this band durable and reliable. It's designed to last, even with frequent use. This band helps you isolate target muscles more effectively. It's perfect for group training, strength conditioning, Pilates, and physical therapy. Built to professional-grade quality, this band is designed for commercial gyms and clubs. It's made to be used frequently, ensuring it meets your fitness needs. What we like. This resistance band is designed for light and speedy mobility. Its durable rubber and protective handle ensure long-lasting performance. If you are looking for a reliable and versatile resistance band for various exercises, you should consider it. What people say. This tube has worked perfectly for that purpose and I am able to accomplish multiple types of exercises with this. The door attachment is a cool addition and is also generally easy to use, also widens the range of workouts available from the product. They are sturdy and give you a great workout. Number 1. Spri Xertube Resistance Band Door Anchor Attachments. This versatile attachment is designed to expand your exercise possibilities. It's a great tool to help you get the most out of your Xertube resistance bands. Whether you're at home or on the go, this attachment makes it easy to get a great workout. It's lightweight and easy to pack, so you can stay fit anywhere. This attachment is perfect for upper body and core exercises. It helps you to perform exercises more effectively, leading to better results. The heavy-duty woven nylon cord fits securely in any door. You can trust this attachment to hold up during even the most intense workouts. With this attachment, you can unlock a whole new range of exercises. It's a simple addition that can significantly boost your fitness routine. What we like. This door anchor attachment increases your exercise options with Xertubes. It enhances the execution of upper body and core exercises. If you have Xertubes and want to expand your workout routine, this is a must-have accessory. What people say. The Xertube is a great tool for adding resistance to exercises. It's easy to use and provides a good workout. The tube is durable and well-made. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.